Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile but you can't seem to find it on Sony Xperia 10.4. So in order to do this we'll need to open Google Play Store. From here begin a search for the game and let's try finding it. As you can see there's no game, so we'll need to fix this. Go back, click on your profile icon, go to the settings, family, parental controls. Here we'll be able to fix this in two ways. The first one is to disable parental controls entirely, type in your PIN and select OK. Next is to click on apps and games, enter your PIN code, select OK and increase PG to at least 16. After that make sure that you saved it, go back, try finding Call of Duty, and here it is. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.